Suppose the radius of the earth is given as, we have, suppose, okay, let's look at this. Suppose the radius of the earth, all right, is given as 6.38 times 10 raised to the power 6 meters. Come on. Now we are asked to find the mass of the earth. Calculate the mass of the earth. Now look at it. Come on. This looks very simple, isn't it? Very good. It looks very simple, but it's not as simple as you think. Some parameters are missing. You need to supply them for you to be able to solve this question. What are these parameters? One is G is missing, supply it. But before we do that, we write down our solution first. Okay? We write down our solution first before we continue with supplying those parameters that are missing in the equation. That is it. So let's begin. First of all, we are looking for the mass. There is a formula, a relationship. Okay? An equation that shows the relationship between G, small g, and then capital G. And that is given as G ME all over RE squared. We are asked, this is ME. ME stands for mass of the earth. Mass of the earth. Of the earth. That is ME. ME stands for mass of the earth. So we know this, but look at it very well. We don't have G. We know radius is giving us that. So G is giving us 6.67 times 10 raised to the power minus 11 Newton meter squared per kilogram squared. All right? Of course, we have our radius here, R. That means our E is giving us 6.38 times 10 raised to the power 6 meters. Good. So with this information, we cannot find the mass of the earth. We cannot find the mass of the earth. Using this equation, we give us the sterics. So what do? We make E, ME. We make ME the subject of this. Okay? And how do we do that? Very simple. What we need to do, we take G is equals to capital G ME over RE squared. We want to make this the subject. We multiply all through. So let's multiply all through. We multiply all through. We multiply through. Okay, we multiply through by what? RE squared. And that will introduce itself as G RE squared is equal to G ME RE squared all over RE squared. Look at it very well. This is becoming interesting. What do we do next? We cancel out. We have RE in here, and the RE there is squared, all both squared. So we cancel out. Come on. And we're left with G and E. Okay, we are now left with G RE squared is equals to capital G and then ME. That's how to make a particular parameter the subject. There is something we are going to do here. Quickly, you can see capital G is attached to ME. So what do? We divide all through with G or through G. So this will take care of this, leaving ME all alone. Therefore, ME is equal to small g RE squared all over capital G. So we have succeeded in making ME the subject, but we have not found the value of ME, which is the mass of the earth. So we have made ME the subject. It is now time for us to find the value of ME. And by the time we find the value of ME, we cannot say we have concluded this equation or this question. Right, so let's begin. What do? We substitute. For the value of G, of course, is 9.8. It's a constant. We don't change it. Nothing changes it. In the same way, capital G is a constant. Maybe we have to state it somewhere. So, small g is given as 9.8 meters per second squared. That is acceleration due to gravity of the Earth on a small mass or a small body. Understand that? So we move on. What do? We move on again up to this point. Oh, hold on, come on. Thank you so much for watching up to this moment and for your patience. But there is something you need to do for me. Thumbs, put your subscribe there. Give me some thumbs up. Come on. Encourage me. Teaching is interesting. Encourage me. Push the bell button on for constant notification. Come on, my viewers. Come on, my friends. You can do better than just sitting down and watching me. Are you not finding value in this? Of course you are. Let's go. So we go back again. G is 9.8. All right. RE is 6.38 times 10 raised to the power 6 all squared. Okay? All over. There is square here. Okay? All squared at that point. Over G. G is given as 6.67 times 10 raised to the power minus 11. Alright? So we have this. Properly substituted. What do we do next? Simplify. When we simplify, we find something important here. Look at it. When we simplify, following all these steps, we now know that we can have our listeners 5.98 times 10 raised to the power 24 kilograms. So that is it. Therefore, conclusion. Therefore, M, E, the mass of the Earth, is given as 5.98 times 10 raised to the power 24 kg. Solved. Solved. Hey, this is interesting. Learn these concepts. If you understand the concepts, understand the steps, you will go a long way solving any problem or problems coming from this angle. Okay, look at it. Try to understand it. It's as simple as that. I want to sign out and prepare for another class just for your learning pleasure. But do me a favor before I leave. Don't forget, subscribe, thumbs up, share to your friends, with your friends, students, networks, just name them. I am here to provide with concepts, teaching concepts, lively teaching concepts. See you, my lovely viewers, in my next class.